Welcome back. I'm so glad you could join me again today. I'm Cameron Sillings. Today we're going to be looking at this real pretty white 2016 Dodge Ram. 5.7 V8, 395 horsepower, can tow up to 8,000 pounds. Already equipped with the trailer tow package and also the four-wheel drive system. This one here does also have a bed liner in it. And right there is your backup camera. Here's a look from it from this side over here. It does got some pinstripe stickers on it. Alright, so we're going to hop in here and take this thing for a drive real quick. Alright, this thing really growls whenever you start it up. Dodge, that's one of the things they strive to do, is to keep the old American classic still going. So again, thanks for joining me again today. I'm Cameron Sillings. Today is Monday, so we do one of these videos a week where we take one of these vehicles for a spin that we currently have on our lot down here at Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana. So today I chose this one. Look at it. I mean, I don't know if you can hear through the speaker, but you can really hear the engine growl whenever you accelerate on it. This one here does come with a good amount of equipment. It's got your power locks, power windows, power mirrors, cruise control, turn signals, AM, FM radio. It's got all your goodies on it. Now I chose this route today because I'm a little bummed I haven't seen one so far, but I almost always see a deer when I come through this field. Alright, we're going to take a little bit off-road here, show you guys what it has. That's what these are meant for, these four-wheel drive systems in these trucks now. You can really take them off-road and beat the devil out of them. There we go. Well, there's some birds. At least we got to see something today. Said they've got a lot of really good performance, lots of torque. I mean, it just handled all that no problem. Alright. I don't see any deer out today. Well, that's alright. Maybe when summertime comes around we'll start to see them a little bit more. But we've got a real pretty day out today. Mr. Sun and Mr. Moon up there decided to both come out, so it's been a real pretty day. It's about 50 degrees out. Hopefully y'all are having a great day wherever you're at. I mean, really good acceleration. Like I said, it's got a 5.7 Hemi V8. Dodge has been using that engine for a long, long time. Puts out 395 horsepower. Well, there's an eagle right there. We don't get to see those every day. Again, this is a 2016 Dodge Ram, and this one here's only got 18,000 miles on it. So low miles, and it was a one owner, local trade-in. almost back here. Whenever we get back, I'll give you guys another walk around of it. And then I'll show you at the back seat. So this one here's their crew cabin. You've got plenty of room in the back seat. Very spacious for all your kiddos, or whatever gear you're hauling. Alright, we're back. Again, here we are at Heritage Ford. Here's what our dealership looks like. Alright. And I'll hop out of here and give you guys another real quick walk around of it. Show you what the back seat looks like. Here it is, and these seats here do fold up, and you've got a little bit of room down here to store some stuff in. And then this is an SSV package. It's a real particular package, and what you get with these, so it's the vinyl seats up in the back, and you get your cloth seats up front. That's what comes in the SSV package. There's the front of it. It's just a really good looking Dodge. It's like a titanium white, and like I said, it's got the stickers on it to give it a real good aggressive look. Alright, again, I'm Cameron Sillings. Thanks for joining me again today. Again, we'll do another one of these next week. Hopefully you'll be able to join me again then. Thank you, and have a good day.